Dickies Workwear is the preferred choice worldwide. Our garments stand for quality and toughness and comfortable, durable performance. Ready to keep people on the job, whatever the conditions. Merchants across the UK are stocking our legendary workwear range. Here's why.
We've been stocking Dickies since 2017.
We took the range on summer/autumn and the guys were buying the t-shirts, etc. And they were back in for their jumpers and heavy duty work jackets in the winter.
We decided to put Dickies in our display windows because we get a mix of customers in our stores.
It caters for all customers, great range, great affordability for everybody's budget, from the low end to the high end. It's been a true success for us.
It just makes sense.
The Dickies area that we've got is 9 by 2.5 metres. Well, initially we had Dickies in quite a small area. After visiting the Dickies factory outlet, we took some ideas from that and made a bigger area. That went down really well, and then Dickies come along and said, look, what about if we provide the racking and do this and take up that area? We're like, yeah, let's do it, and have a shop within a shop. I'm extremely happy with the service I get from Dickies. I get a visit every month. We get support on our trade days with their vehicle which comes down. They're always on hand to give us special deals so that we can run these special offers. The staff love it, it sells itself, it's win-win.
Wigley DIY found that they sold more Dickies workwear than other brands, with a better margin. They took on a large Dickies fixture, removed the other brands, and are seeing the successes for themselves. With fast, low-cost delivery from Dickies to the store, they can offer catalogue products too.
We've had a fantastic run with Dickies, from their commitment to the builders merchant sector, their commitment to us. Dickies didn't just come in and fill up a showroom with a load of clothing. We get constant contact with the local representatives, with the senior management from Dickies wanting to know what's working for us, what's not working for us. It's a really good partnership. I'm talking about the sales rep as though he's part of our team, because that's how it feels. He is like an extension to our sales force, so if we have a question on any of their products, or if we need some help on their products, then he's just at the other end of the phone. That was a great feeling. You know, it's a great feeling. We're really, really pleased to be working with Dickies. We're proud of the range. We think there's a great offering, and we think that there's more and more opportunities as their new product range come out.
Dickies fixtures can fit into any size of merchant store, and our teams are ready to help you maximise the available space. Contact us now to find out how you can start. Dickies. Quality workwear since 1922.